Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I am going to be styling my hair using some products from Curlsmith. I already have the 3-in-1 multitasking conditioner in my hair. I used it as a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. The other use is as a pre-poo. And I recently did a review of 4 of the products in Curlsmith's Strength Recipe line. I will have that linked up above and in the description box, so you can check that out after this video here. But I am just going to be doing some twist with this gel like I stated. I wasn't really feeling like doing a wash and go today, which is my usual natural hairstyle that I like to do. So I was like, let me just see how this Shape Up Aqua Gel works for a twist out. So basically that's what we're doing, y'all, in this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and start sectioning my hair and twisting my hair up. I am going to be using this comb here just to do my part in the front. I'm going to use the Felicia Leatherwood brush here to just detangle the section that I am twisting. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to, play a little music so y'all can listen to it while y'all watch me do my hair. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into these twists. Okay, so I am finally done putting my twist in, and this is what they are looking like. Nice and plump and juicy and shiny, and they have a lot of bounce and spring to them. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and let my twist air dry. They probably won't be dry until tomorrow, but whenever they do dry, I will come back and take the twist down and we will see what this twist out looks like. So just stay tuned. Okay, so it is the next day and this is what my twists are looking like. They are completely dry and they really do look moisturized. They look really juicy and plump. So yeah, what I am going to do is just go ahead, put some oil on my hands and start taking them down. This is the part where I tend to rush a little bit, so I'm going to try and take my time when I am taking these twists out and separating them so I can get my best twist out ever. So let's just go ahead and get to taking these twists down. y'all, so I am done taking the twist out and my hair looks so cute. Look at that. Wow, these products really work really good for a twist out. And honestly, like, I think this is my best twist out yet. But look at that definition, y'all. It looks really good. Y'all, bomb. This looks really good. And no flakes. No flakes at all. I am really happy about how this twist out turned out, y'all. Look at that definition. Do you see that? My hair feels soft. There's no crunch or anything. My hair feels really good, y'all. Oof. Best twist out yet. So yeah, as y'all can see, like, this Shape Up Aqua Gel and this multitasking conditioner make a really good twist out combination. Imagine how it would look like in a couple of days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert pictures for like day 2 and day 3 and maybe day 4 too, just so y'all can see how this looks over time. Like, I really do see this lasting more than 4 days, but y'all, I am in love with this twist out. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the way that this twist out came out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.